Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo XC40 T5 Inscription. This is in Onyx black metallic with a beautiful amber leather interior. You'll know it's an Inscription trim level because of all of that chrome. Beautiful chrome grille. Full LED active bending Thor's hammer headlights. This has city safety with collision avoidance, pedestrian and large animal detection, blind spot information system, lane keeping aid, cross traffic alert with auto braking. This has a 5-star safety rating. That is all the stars. Keyless entry is part of the Inscription trim level, as is the hands-free power lift gate. That's a standard feature, actually, sorry. Beautiful 19-inch wheels. If this isn't enough space for you, they come with integrated roof rails. So you could put load bars on top, put a box right on top, put some bike racks or ski racks. There is a decent amount of space in the back here. Underneath all of those rubber mats, you'll find a grocery divider as well. And those seats do fold down flat, turning this into your Swedish pickup truck. Such a fun SUV. This has the climate package. So you get the heated seats in the front and the back. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel. I love that this has a black headliner. That way the amber seats really stand out. Memory seating for 2. There is a good amount of space in the side door there. Beautiful seats, beautiful stitching, real wood inlay. This has the crystal gear shifter knob. We've got navigation here. This is a super clear screen. This is your home screen. You'll see that whenever you want to get back to it, you'll push this button to get you back to the home screen. This is where you'll find your camera. Also, if you shift into reverse, you will also see that. This is the start-stop option. Roadside information shows up on your digital display there. On this side, this is where you'll be able to find your SIRIUSXM all set up. Also, if you drag this down from the center under settings, since it's winter, I'll show you this good information. Your climate. Right now it's set to factory settings, so it's pretty much a blank slate. Level for steering wheel heat, I think we'll do that high. Seating level, high. Passenger seat, I like them too. We'll keep everyone warm. The rear auto defrost, I would love that to turn on. Also, with the purchase of a brand new Volvo, you get 4 years subscription to the Volvo On Call, which is a app on your phone that you can remote start your car from, which is amazing. And something to know, you can't adjust your heat from the app. So before you go to bed at night, or when you leave your car, you should leave your heat, set your steering wheel and your seat heat on, and maybe even your climate control, keep that on. That way when you get into your car, it's going. Otherwise, your car will be ready to go and it'll heat up fast, but it won't be ready for you exactly. It'll be primed, but not quite ready. The XC40s have these fun little storage components. This is a hook that you can put your purse on, or your wallet, your grocery bag, so you know where it is at all times. This opens up. This is a trash can, is a removable trash can. That's a pretty cool feature. These little slots over here actually fit a credit card. So if you have a gas card or something like that, or business cards that you'd like to keep at the ready, they can store right there, which is a pretty cool feature. Thank you, Volvo. All right, guys. Well, this is stock number 21135. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need, and you should really consider this XC40 because it's a nice one. It's really fabulous. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.